Here are 10 benefits of black seeds. They may lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. They may help control blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes. They may reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like asthma, arthritis, and eczema. They may boost immunity and fight infections with their antimicrobial properties. They may protect the liver from damage and improve its function. They may prevent or treat cancer by inhibiting tumor growth and inducing apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells. They may improve skin health and appearance by reducing acne, wrinkles, and pigmentation. They may enhance brain function and memory by increasing blood flow to the brain and preventing oxidative stress. They may support weight loss by suppressing appetite and increasing metabolism.